June 18, 2025, Starbase, Texas. Just after 11 p.m., a fireball rips through the night. SpaceX's Starship Ship 36, poised for a critical static fire test, is engulfed in a catastrophic explosion. The dream of Mars, the vision of a multi-planetary future. It feels like it's up in flames. But is this a death knell for Starship? Or just another spark in the fire of progress? Welcome to Bound to Mars, where we chase the stars through triumphs and setbacks. Today, we unpack the Ship 36 explosion, what it means for SpaceX, and how they'll forge ahead. Let's dive in. Ship 36 was moments from igniting its 6 Raptor engines, 3 sea-level Raptors for liftoff and landing, and 3 vacuum Raptors optimized for space, for a static fire test, a key step before stacking it atop Super Heavy Booster 16 for Starship's 10th orbital flight. This test was meant to push the boundaries of the most powerful upper stage ever built. But something went catastrophically wrong. Early reports point to a possible fuel system failure, maybe a methane leak or a structural issue in the spacecraft's nose. The explosion obliterated Ship 36 and damaged the Massey's test stand. No injuries, thankfully, but the ripples are shaking the space community. This isn't Starship's first fireball. Since 2023, 9 orbital test flights have seen mixed results. The first 3 ended in explosions, while flights 4 through 6 achieved key milestones, like booster catches and orbit insertion. But flights 7, 8, and 9 hit snags, guidance issues, propellant leaks, and now, Ship 36's ground test failure. That's 3 major setbacks in 6 months. For a program eyed for NASA's lunar missions and Elon Musk's 2026 Mars goal, the questions are mounting. Will the FAA clamp down with stricter regulations? Could delays derail the timeline? The pressure is on. But SpaceX thrives on setbacks. Their mantra, build, test, fail, learn, repeat, has turned Starship from a bold concept into a game changer. Ship 36's explosion, its data. SpaceX is likely already dissecting telemetry to pinpoint the cause, a faulty valve, a pressure spike, or a design flaw. Ship 37, with its 6 Raptors ready, is waiting in the wings. Past failures, like SN4's 2020 explosion or Flight 8's engine flash, led to fixes that made Starship more robust. SpaceX's track record, 76 launches in 2025 alone, shows they don't stay down for long. So, what's next? First, SpaceX will investigate with precision, working with the FAA to clear the path for future tests. Second, they'll fast-track Ship 37's testing, applying lessons from Ship 36 to strengthen the 6-engine system. Third, they'll keep pushing their unmatched launch cadence. Starship isn't just a rocket, it's humanity's ticket to the moon, Mars, and beyond. Every explosion refines that vision, bringing us closer to lunar outposts and Martian cities. Failure isn't the end, it's the forge where progress is shaped. The path to Mars is messy, fiery, and unrelenting, but it's our path. Ship 36's loss reminds us that space is the ultimate challenge, and SpaceX is meeting it head-on. The Starship program will rise again, stronger, smarter, and closer to the stars. At Bound to Mars, we're not just watching, we're part of this journey. What do you think about Ship 36's explosion? Can SpaceX turn this setback into a springboard? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button if you're rooting for Mars, and subscribe to Bound to Mars to follow every step of this epic journey. Share this video with a fellow space dreamer, and let's keep pushing for the red planet. We're Bound to Mars. See you in the next one.